We're exceptionally pleased that Atrium was able to provide nearly 5,000 vaccinations for this event. And as a result of that, this allows many airport employees who are working in our terminal building every day, encountering thousands of passengers coming and going, the ability easily to get a vaccine. Having it here at the doorstep of their workplace makes it not only convenient, but also sends a strong message in terms of our encouraging the employees to get it. One of the things we do well here at the airport is teamwork. And I would be remiss if I didn't comment about how many people have come together to make vaccinations on site at the airport a possibility. Our airline tenants, our food, beverage, and retail concessionaires, it truly does take a village to get things done in this environment. And we're so fortunate to have great partners, and we would be nowhere today if we weren't able to execute upon that. So I do want to express my gratitude and really encourage all of those who are working in this environment to continue to think out of the box, continue to bring forward great ideas, and you never know what could happen.